Okay, look at 11. We need some factors of 512. I got 2 and 256. 2 and 128. 2 and 64. 2 and 32. 2 and 16. 2 and 8. 2 and 4. 2 and 2. There's a lot of 2s there. Okay? But if you were to do another calculator the old way, okay, you could say 512 and hit enter, shift, and that little, so what that's saying is 2 to the 9th. That means there's 9 2s. And I can look up here, when I do all that on the calculator, this is what pops up, 2 to the 9th. And if I look up here, I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It works out the same way, okay? So whatever you prefer, obviously write it out so when you're circling them, it's not that bad. So what is our group number? What is the group number? 3. So, and I want you to take a second. How many groups of 2s could you do? Go through, circle them, write them all out. So if you did 2 to the 9th, you should write 2 out 9 times, and you can circle them. Okay? So right here we got 1 group, 2 groups, 3 groups. So when we circle them, where does it go? Outside. Okay? All that's saying is maybe this is Jade's family, and this is Jackson's family, and this is my family. So what that's saying is only one person in their family gets a debit card, one person in her family gets it, and one person in my family gets it. Okay, they're totally separate groups. Okay, so we put a 2 for that group, a 2 for this group, and we have a 2 for this group. Who cannot go? Nobody cannot go. Everybody's family can go. Remember we just talked about this. So is there any 2, 3, 5, or 7 left up there? No. Then all that means is everybody can go. So what do we do with the 2s on the outside? Multiply them. So 2 times 2 times 2, 8. 8 square root of nothing. Okay? And then we still need to put this 3 here, but that's what it's going to look like. Okay? Jackson, do not let me forget to turn on the code for you. Okay, look at 13. So we got 2 and 8, 2 and 4, 2 and 2. What's our group number? 3. So how many groups could go? 1 group of 2s can go, and that means that they can go outside the house. Who cannot go? A 2. Okay, he's got no friends, he can't go to Kroger, everybody ditched him, whatever. Okay, and then we gotta remember to put that baby 3 on the outside. Bless you. Is everybody doing okay? Okay. 245. How did I do my calculator? Oh, 245 divided by, and I already know it's going to be 5. If it ends in a 5, that means it divides into 5. Do you guys know? So 5 and 49. And this one's going to be 7 and 7. Okay, who can go? What's our group number, better yet? What's our group number?
2.
Huh? Don't say you don't know, I didn't hear you.
I don't know, I think 7 goes to 7.
Oh, yeah, you're right. But, so how did you know to do 2 7s?
Because there's no number, so you have the right number.
Come on. I just say, hun, and you start, no, never mind. I don't know what I'm talking about. Yes, you do. Okay, I just didn't hear everything you said. So right here, she's saying that there's this magic baby 2 right here. And so our groups are 2, and she said, since she won't repeat herself loud enough, that the 7s can go. And she's totally right. She just needs to have some more confidence. Okay, so the 7s can go. And where do we put them? Inside or outside?
Outside.
Outside. And who goes on the inside? 5. Okay, do we have to put the 2 there? No. Can you?
You can, but you don't have to.
You don't have to, okay? So it's up to you. If you prefer to put the little number there so you know, absolutely, you go right ahead. If you don't really want to, whatever, don't, okay? It doesn't matter either way. It's implied in mathematics that it's a 2, okay? So, 17 is 1024. So I got 2 and 5, 12. 2 and 256. 2 and 128. 2 and 64. 2 and 32. Whoa. My bad. Hold on. My board's tweaking. Bo. This thing is making me mad today. 2 and 32. 2 and 16. 2 and 8. 2 and 4. 2 and 2. Alright. Alright. Okay, what is our group number? 7. How many groups of 2s can go? 1? Is that what we're going with? I don't know. I didn't get that far. 1. Bo. What the? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So all these guys can go. They're going in a group. Who cannot go? 3 2s. Okay, so they gotta go back on the inside. So 2, 2, 2. And we put 1, 2 on the outside. What do you do with the 2s back on the inside? You gotta multiply them together. So 2 times 2 times 2, yep, is gonna be 8. 8 square root, or 2 square root of 8. And what did I forget?
The baby. No.
Yeah, I forgot the baby, what was it, a 7?
Yeah.
7. Wow, what the hell is the matter? Okay, 512. Did I just write this one down? No, it's something different. 2 and 256. 2 and 128. 2 and 64. 2 and 32. 2 and 16. 2 and 8. 2 and 4. 2 and 2.
Only 2 numbers can go.
What's our group number?
2.
Our group number is 2. So how many groups of 2 2s could we do? Yeah, so we got 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so that means I put 4 2s on the outside. 1, 2, 3, 4. Who cannot go? 1, 2. So it goes back on the inside. Okay, so we got 2 times 2 is 4, times 2 is 8, times 2 is 16. So you have 16 square root of 2. Now I want you to take a second and look at 20. It's the same except for what? The group number. It's going to be 7 of them. So, copy this down. Don't redo it all on a calculator, okay? Some of the numbers underneath the square roots, look through your packet. You probably already got the tree made somewhere else, Okay, so, and really you could kind of look at this, I don't suggest it, but you could look at this and say, well, how many groups of 7 of 2s could I do? Okay, you guys have all of the even ones to do, get them done, and then turn in your stuff and you're good to go.